Hey there, Spy Trader listeners. It's your host, Bobby Bull, back with another episode of your favorite financial news podcast. It's 6 a.m. on August 12th, 2024, and we've got the latest scoop on S&P 500 movements, big corporate earnings, and some hot trading recommendations. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's dive into today's market madness. First up, let's talk about Cardinal Health. They're set to report their Q4 earnings on August 14th, and things are looking pretty rosy for them. Analysts are predicting earnings of $1.73 per share, up from $1.55 last year. Revenue is expected to hit $58.64 billion, up from $53.45 billion. That's some solid growth, folks. Cardinal Health's dividend also looks pretty sweet, with a yield of 2.01% and quarterly payments of 556 cents per share. With their share price recently closing at 167, up 1.8%, there's definitely some investor confidence brewing. Now, let's zoom out a bit to the bigger picture. The S&P 500 has been struggling recently, about 6% below its record highs. The market's been a bit wobbly due to economic uncertainties and subpar earnings. But remember, where there's volatility, there's opportunity. Let's switch gears to some sector-specific action. The semiconductor sector, despite a 20% decline, is still a hot topic. Analysts are bullish on this one, especially with the ongoing demand related to AI and memory products. Stocks like Micron Technology, AMD, and Nvidia are worth keeping an eye on. Healthcare is also performing steadily. Cardinal Health's upcoming earnings could boost sentiment in this sector even more. And let's not forget the potential in weight loss drugs, which has been giving Eli Lilly a nice boost. Big tech has taken a hit recently, down about 15%, but analysts are seeing the current valuations as a good entry point. Think of it as tech stocks on sale. Finally, yield-sensitive stocks like utilities and REITs are staying attractive, with the S&P 500 Utilities Index yielding over 3% this year. If the Fed hints at interest rate cuts, real estate stocks could go even higher. Speaking of spooky stuff, what do you call a ghost with a brokerage account? A paranormal investor. All right, time to get analytical. With Cardinal Health set for a positive earnings report, their strong revenue and earnings growth indicate good operational management and robust market demand. If you're looking for a solid dividend stock with potential for capital appreciation, Cardinal Health should be on your radar. As a defensive healthcare stock, it offers stability in volatile times. Trading recommendations time. If you're into dividends, Cardinal Health looks promising. With their solid earnings forecast, stable dividends, and share price increase, they're a solid pick. Consider adding some shares before their earnings report on August 14 for a potentially nice bump if they beat expectations. For the tech enthusiasts, now might be the perfect time to buy into some beaten-down giants like Nvidia or AMD. The sector's recent downturn, coupled with persistent demand for AI and memory products, points to a rebound. And let's not overlook those yield-sensitive stocks. Utilities and REITs could be great additions to your portfolio, especially with potential rate cuts on the horizon. That's all for this episode of Spy Trader. Keep your portfolios diversified and don't get spooked by market volatility. After all, even the best traders sometimes need a bit of luck and a whole lot of strategy. Happy trading, and catch you next time.